In my today's tutorial, I will teach you how to make this very beautiful and attractive clay neck piece. It is actually a floral neck piece on a branch of tree and it is really easy to make. Hi, I'm Shabori from hookdandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. We will be using the Fevicryl molded as the air dry clay and mix equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener in this manner until the mixture is completely white and uniform. So our dough is ready. We will roll it into a form of a branch of tree in this manner and slightly flatten it and give it a curved like shape as I'm showing you. Make it slightly ununiform as it is going to be the branch of tree, and then we will take small portions of clay and attach it to the big branch of tree. These are actually small branches. Just roll it into a form of wire, make it slightly thick and ununiform, and place it on top of the main branch like this, and just press it. It will stick immediately as it is freshly prepared clay. So the side branches are now ready. We will attach the side branches and complete it soon. Now the decoration is based on your wish, how you want to make it. So the branch is now ready. We will take a little bit of water in the fingertip and just press it in this manner and smoothen the surface. Make sure that the attachments are not visible, I mean the attachment of the side branches. And with a clay tool, we will give the branch-like impressions in this manner. These are the impressions of the bark. To give it a realistic effect. Okay. We will make two holes on both the sides of the main branch. We will be passing our cord of the necklace through these holes, and now we are making flowers. The flowers are really basic flowers. So we will take small pieces of clay and give them petal-like shape using our fingers in this manner and stick them to the central piece. So we are making 5 petal flowers. So the first flower is now ready. Make a slight hole at the center portion and stick the central piece of the flower. We will be sticking small circular buds on the branch ends in this manner, completely for decorative purpose. You can decorate your neck piece accordingly. Now we are making a bell-shaped flower. For that, take a small piece of clay, flatten it into oval shape and fold it in this manner and stick it in your desired position like this. You can use Fevicol for sticking your clay pieces, but since my clay is completely freshly prepared, I am not using any Fevicol for sticking it. It will stick immediately on the surface. So I am making another flower in this manner. At first I attached a small circular central piece, and then I am attaching 5 petals around the central piece in this manner, slightly pressing the petals in the center portion. Isn't this easy? So the 5 petals are attached. We will insert a circular bud in the central portion. Done. You can give some floral impressions on the petals. It is not compulsory, but for the realistic effect, you can give it. Slightly fold the petals. It shouldn't look completely flattened. Make it realistic as far as possible. And in this manner, we are making the bell flowers. Make as many bell flowers as you want, completely for filling up the space of the branches. Just fill up the empty spaces with the bell flowers, the flowers and buds in this manner. So we are decorating our entire neck piece with flowers, buds and bell flowers. Okay, this is another technique of making the flower. So at first we are joining the 5 petals together in this manner to the central piece. And then we are sticking it on the surface of the branch. So our motto is filling up the entire blank space of the branch with cute little flowers and bell flowers and small buds. Okay, we are attaching the bell flowers at the end of the side branches. So this is another kind of bud. Make small circular balls and make a hole in the central portion with any pointed object and stick them using Fevicol, or if it is freshly prepared, you do not need any Fevicol for sticking it to the surface. Okay. So decoration is based on your wish. Quickly complete your work. Let me show you how to make the bell flower again. Make a flattened piece of clay and fold it from both the ends. So our clay piece is now completely ready. I allowed it to dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. In 3 to 4 hours it will harden up and dry up completely. And then we are painting it completely white with the white colored acrylic paint. The white colored acrylic paint will act as a primer for the paint we will be adding later on. And then we will let it dry for some time. When the white colored paint has dried up completely, we will start painting on our work. Now the painting is based on your own imagination, how you want to paint it and decorate it, what color you want to use. You can use the same color as I have used. I just love to paint it in my own way. I use different types of colors, and if I don't like them, I change them immediately, and this is the benefit of acrylic paint, isn't it? So at first I painted it blue. I painted the flowers blue, but later on I did not like the blue color, so I changed it into greenish, bluish, yellowish color shade. So play with your own colors, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Our painting is now complete. We will let it dry for some time, and when it has dried up completely, we will add a layer of wood gloss on top of it. I have used the Dendrite Wood Shine Wood Gloss for the glossy effect and in order to color protect my acrylic paint. And then we will pass the cords through the holes I made in the neck piece. I made the cord using the crochet chains technique. I took 2 DMC threads and made chains with them. And when the cords have been passed through the holes, we will pass some thread beads through the cords in the manner I am showing you for decorating my neck piece. we will do the same thing with the other side of the cord. And finally, my beautiful clay neck piece is ready. It is looking very pretty, colorful, bright, and just ready to be used with your favorite sari. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. Thank you and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.